हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सोम भविष्य। मैं हूं शुभम और इस वीडियो को आप लोग पूरा देखना, काफ़ी कुछ जान पाओगे। टोटल आठ लेक्चर हुआ था। 4 हुआ था CSR अथॉरिटी की तरफ से और 4 हुआ था आउटसाइड CSR का। IIT बॉम्बे के थे सर कुछ, और कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी सर थे। तो क्या कुछ होगा उसके बारे में बताए थे। तो और भी जितना सा डाउट होता है, आप चाहे किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के अंडर में हो, सब कुछ डाउट हो जाएगा क्लियर आप लोगों का इस वीडियो देखने के बाद। ठीक है, और नाम आएगा या नहीं वो बताया गया इस वीडियो पे। तो सर जो कुछ बताएंगे तो उसको सुनिएगा, वीडियो कहीं भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा। अच्छा लगता है तो एक लाइक कर दीजिएगा। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Total 7 mentors here, and they describe their different views of their projects and different ideas of their projects. So there are lots of questions with us. So it's about the connection between mentor and mentee. So actually today itself we have uploaded one list for that students allotted for this project number 13. So please visit the website to find out your name and name of the mentors. Please we provide that mail ID of that those mentors, and please try to connect the with the mentors by today itself. And there are lots of questions that some people are still not there in any projects, and for that we are working on it. Actually we are trying to upload the final list today evening or by tomorrow, and you please try to join with the assigned mentors today or by tomorrow itself. Then only the mentors can give the assignments to the students for that particular projects. So and there are in website we have uploaded more than 100 lecture series. You please select the lectures which will be benefited for you. Questions are there only the questions are only for that their allocation and mentors. So I think within one day all these things will be clear. So please don't worry. Uh, Visit the website today itself. Again we have uploaded one more list. So I think you people can find out your names. So and please send the mails to the assigned mentors, and then they can, and you please provide your phone number also. Actually we have in this project we have more than 5,800 students, and among out of these 5,800 students we have only we have that phone number and email IDs of those almost 4,000 students. So please send the mails to the assigned mentors. Then only they can create some WhatsApp group among the mentor and mentees. So I think we can stop here.
Pankaj, I am Sarabhoji.
Yes, Sarab.
I'm waiting for
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, sir. Actually, earlier you were not there, right? So now we have one another mentor.
Yeah.
From Sastra Deemed University. Sarabjit, Dr. Subham, then Dr. Navadnit, and please send the title, okay, of your project proposal to my that email ID, earlier email ID. So that will be good if you can provide your project title. But please send it as soon as in. You see, as our honorable directors are in the morning session, he has mentioned that this project is a multidisciplinary project. So from the students are from physics, chemistry, agriculture, then biological field, then engineering background and computational science background students are also there. Actually, our main motto is to create the knowledge society by synthesizing these ideas from diverse perspectives. So you see, now the research and this summer research training program is going on, and we want to do the research in the multidisciplinary field. So you please be patient and please cooperate with us. Then only we can accommodate you with that mentors. You see, we have more than 6,000 students in this project, especially in the project number 13. So it's impossible to select all the students according to their subject specialization. So thank you for your all cooperation, and I'm again requesting you to cooperate with us. I think today or by tomorrow evening we will upload the final list. Then you please try to contact with your mentors. Definitely they will provide some projects. One more request, actually yesterday we have uploaded one Google form. That is our main motto, that will help us to create India as the knowledge society. So please do fill up that Google form, and we will find out that problems of India. That we have almost 10 questions in that Google form. So which will lead us to make India as a knowledge society. The questions are specifically what are there. It is already mentioned. Our motto is to make India a knowledge society. So I want to conclude here. Thank you each and everyone. Thank you all the mentors and the participant present over here. So we will meet you soon, and we will upload the details, time schedule, and about the program of our this project number 13. And I also want to thank our director sir and my colleague Dr. Lucky Saikia and other my colleagues, and especially to thanks to Dr. Subba, Dr. Pitambar, Dr. Mansi, and Dr. Pranita and Mr. Sachin Karki for their valuable presentations for the project number 13. So thank you everyone, and please visit our website. All the details of the classes and this demonstration and regarding all these projects, not only this project number 13, for all the projects, we will uploaded all details in the website itself. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we will here.